Dear students, in the last class I covered treatment of general reserve, general not specific, general reserve, accumulated profits and accumulated losses जो तुम लोगों को बाला शीट में दिखा रहा है. Today we will cover the two specific reserves. Even if these things we have already covered in change in profit sharing ratio among the existing partners and admission of a partner chapter, that is treatment of WCR, workmen compensation reserve, and IFR, investment fluctuation reserve. These are specific reserves because created for a specific purpose. And if that reserve is not required for fulfilling that specific purpose, then in the event of reconstitution of partnership firm, such reserve is to be utilized or distributed. So, let us first focus on WCR. WCR. वर्कमैन कॉम्पेंसेशन रिजर्व. वर्कमैन के लिए रिजर्व बनाकर हम लोग रखे थे फॉर दैट कॉम्पेंसेशन इन टू कॉम्पेंसेट देम. इफ एनी एक्सीडेंट occurs, they will claim that worker should get this much of amount. So in that case, we will satisfy their claim through or from this reserve. Suppose A, B, C are partners in the ratio that is 2:1:1. C dash workman compensation reserve shows 40,000. workman compensation reserve balance sheet में show कर रहा था 40,000 and profit sharing ratio of A, B, C, that is 2:1:1 and C retire. And different case. Case 1, no claim, कुछ भी claim है ही नहीं. Then in that case ये reserve कुछ utilize नहीं होगा. That means partner लोग के right है, partner लोग वही distribute कर दिया जाएगा. कौन सा ratio? That should be the old ratio, because this reserve is created in the presence or with the help of the contribution of A, B, C, these three partners, old partners. So that's why it should be distributed among A, B, C in the old ratio. So the general entry will be, that is workman compensation reserve account related to S capital, to B's capital, to C's capital, 40,000, 20,000, 10,000, 10,000. Case 2, claim rupees 20,000. एक्सीडेंट हो गया और वो लोग क्लेम कर रहे हैं 20,000. Then workman compensation reserve account debited 40,000. हमारे पास रिजर्व कितना था? 40,000. तो वही 40,000 से हम लोग क्लेम फुलफिल करेंगे, that is 20,000. So that's why to workman compensation claim account 20,000. Still we have 20,000 surplus. This 20,000 is to be distributed among all partners. S capital account, B's capital account, to C's capital account, that is 10,000, 5,000 and 5,000. Is that clear? Third case, case 3, claim rupees 40,000. रिजर्व था 40 और क्लेम भी आ रहा है 40,000, मतलब इक्वल. सो वर्कमैन कॉम्पेंसेशन रिजर्व अकाउंट डेबिटेड to workman compensation rupees 60,000. So रिजर्व है 40 बट क्लेम आ रहा है 60. उसका मतलब 40,000 तक, अप टू 40,000 दैट रिजर्व कैन बी यूटिलाइज्ड. स्टिल क्लेम आ रहा है एक्स्ट्रा अमाउंट ऑफ 20,000. दैट मीन्स वी कैन से liability will now increase by 20,000. So earlier I have already told you, if liability increases, that should be shown with the help of revaluation account. Similarly, here workman compensation reserve account debited 40,000 to workman compensation claim account 60,000. Since liability increases, revaluation account will be debited by 20,000. So revaluation profit or revaluation loss or revaluation account should be closed by transferring to the partner's capital account or current account in the old ratio. So that's why next summary will be S capital account debited, B's capital account debited, C's capital account debited to revaluation account. यहाँ पर revaluation account को डेबिट किया था, यहाँ पर मैं क्रेडिट कर दिया, तो वैसे कैंसिल हो गया. So that is 20,000, 10,000, 5,000, 5,000. Clear? This is all about your workman compensation reserve. Now let us focus on IFR, investment fluctuation reserve. IFR, let it be rupees 40,000. Same thing, A is to B is to C, 2 is to 1 C dash. जैसे कि यहाँ पर डिफरेंट कंडीशन पड़े थे, क्लेम ज्यादा आ रहा है, क्लेम कम हो रहा है, यहाँ पर किसी तरह हो सकता है. And it has a link with the investment value. We have invested at a certain price, that is our cost price. But investment, you know, it is highly volatile. It may goes up, it may goes down. So if the market value will fluctuate, then for loss, मान लो कि मार्केट का वैल्यू फॉल होता है, डिक्रीज हो जाता है, then according to the prudence concept, we will have to create a reserve. So that's why we have created IFR, investment fluctuation reserve. But if the market value goes up, it's a profit. ये रिजर्व का कुछ लेना देना ही नहीं होगा. So that's why the different cases are: case 1, let cost price of investment is 1 lakh and market price for market value is now 1 lakh. कॉस्ट का मान लो, मार्केट वैल्यू मान लो, कुछ इंक्रीज डिक्रीज नहीं हुआ, तो आईएफआर का कुछ रोल नहीं है, राइट डाउन कर दो. आईएफआर अकाउंट डेबिटेड टू एस कैपिटल, टू बीस कैपिटल, टू सीस कैपिटल. 40,000, 20,000, 10,000, 10,000. This is case 1. Case 2. मान लो कि cost price is 1 lakh, but market value let it be 1,20,000. मतलब मार्केट का वैल्यू बढ़ गया. अगर मार्केट का वैल्यू बढ़ जाता है, I told you just now, I told you IFR का corresponding credit will be revaluation account. So that's why next one will be investment account debited to revaluation account. कितना इंक्रीज हो रहा है? That is 20,000 and here revaluation account shows the credit balance. उसको राइट अप करके क्लोज करना पड़ेगा. So that's why next entry revaluation account debited to S capital to B's capital to C's capital 20,000 10,000 5,000 5,000. That should be the old profit sharing ratio. Next, cash free, that is cost 1 lakh, market value 80,000, मतलब decrease by 20,000, but we have the reserve of 40, that means easily we can cover. So the journal entry will be, that is IFR account debited 40,000 to investment account 20,000 because decreased by 20,000 to S capital account, B's capital account, C's capital account 10,000, 5,000 and 5,000. Clear? Now case 4, cost 1 lakh, मतलब इन्वेस्टमेंट का कॉस्ट 1 लाख, मार्केट वैल्यू लेट इट बी 60,000, मतलब fall in the value of investment by 40,000 and we have the reserve of 40,000. So the entry will be IFR account debited 40,000, investment asset का value decrease हो रहा है, that means according to the model approach asset account is to be credited. So to investment account 40,000 और नो सरप्लस नो डेफिसिट, कुछ बैलेंस है ही नहीं तो कुछ भी करना नहीं पड़ेगा, पार्टनर लोग को बिल्कुल मिलेगा नहीं या फिर पार्टनर लोग को लॉस सफर करना नहीं पड़ेगा. केस 5, cost 1 lakh, market value let it be 40,000, मतलब market value goes down by 60,000 but we have mentally prepared for 40,000 तो उसका मतलब 40,000 तक कवर कर लेंगे, बाकी जो 20,000 होगा that should be the loss for the partners. So that's why IFR account debited 40,000 to investment account 60,000. 40,000 यहाँ से एडजस्ट हो गया but still decrease in the value of asset, तो decrease in the value of asset is to be adjusted through revaluation account. So that's why corresponding debit will be revaluation account debited by 20,000. Now this revaluation account is to be closed. So whenever the revaluation account is to be closed, the journal entry will be S capital account debited, B's capital account debited, C's capital account debited to revaluation account. कितना था 20? So that's why 20,000 ratio का 2:1:1 10,000 इसका मतलब मैं यहाँ पर 5 केस कवर किया। अगर इन्वेस्टमेंट का वैल्यू बिल्कुल डिक्रीज नहीं हो रहा है। नेक्स्ट था, अगर इन्वेस्टमेंट का वैल्यू बढ़ रहा है। केस 3, अगर इन्वेस्टमेंट का वैल्यू डिक्रीज तो हो रहा है but that is within the or which is less than fall in the value of the decrease in fall in the value of investment is less than the available balance of IFR. Case 4, when fall in the value of investment is equal to the balance available in IFR. And case 5, fall in the value of investment is more than the balance available in IFR. Okay, thank you.